Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a guest in today's video. I cannot show you my face because I am a mess.
No, she's not true.
I have not been sleeping, okay?
But you're beautiful.
Oh, thank you. You're so kind.
True.
You're so kind. But I'm gonna hide today. It's all about Meriem. And it's all about this beautiful look that I thought it would be, you know, a good look for holidays. So this is what I'm going to create in today's video. Please, before we get into it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you check out Meriem Instagram. Okay guys, let's get into it. Here we have Meriem with no makeup on and she's still gorgeous. I'm gonna use this Floral Spray Mist. This is from Sisley. And the reason why I'm using this now is because I plan to apply this Hyaluronic Serum from Dr. Barbara Sturm. And it is better when you apply your Hyaluronic Serum on your wet skin.
That smells good.
Smells good, right?
Yes.
Now, while the skin is still wet, I'm going to get some Hyaluronic Serum on her skin, and I am not touching the skin with the dropper. It's very important. I would rather get the product in my hands and then get it on the skin. The whole point of having the dropper is to not contaminate, if we could say so, the product with, you know, the bacteria that you have on your face. So it's like you touch it on your face and then you put it back. It doesn't make sense for me to touch the skin. While the skin is still a little bit tacky, I'm going to apply the Barbara Sturm face cream. And as you can see, it's quite a lot of product. I find that this is beautiful and a great texture for people who have combination or oily skin. And I've applied quite the amount as I want to massage the skin a bit. Then I will apply Dr. Barbara Sturm Super Anti-Aging Eye Cream. And I've already taken it out with a spatula. Last step is Dr. Barbara Sturm Glow Drops. This is a super lightweight moisturizer. And again, I'm going to put one full drop in my hands. I'd rather do this than, you know, have accidents and get the product on her chest or her clothes. So this is not like a makeup, like what would makeup do in terms of glow. It's that glow that comes from a very hydrating product, but in the same time it's super lightweight. You gotta prep the lips before you start the makeup. So I always suggest you to use a lip balm before everything. I love this one from Omorovicza. I'm going to be using Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Foundation in 5.5 Bisque. I thought it's quite light at first, but actually when I apply it, I saw that on her skin, it oxidized quite a lot, actually. Makeup by Mario. This is a contour stick, and I'm not going to use it necessarily as a contour, but I will literally get it on the perimeters of the face so that the center would be lighter and we have a little bit of a darker color on the outer parts of the face. So I'm using this Rephr 04 brush. So it's just a little bit darker on the perimeters. I didn't contour too much with it. As you can see, it's not like a huge difference. I will use this to contour the nose though. Okay. Now I'm going to use this Makeup Forever concealer. And this is a number 33. I love this concealer because it sets by itself. Very lightweight though. This is a B214 brush from Hakuhodo. I will use two different powders to set the makeup in place. The first one I'm going to use is the Charlotte Tilbury, and I will get it on the perimeters of the face with this Kat Von D brush. For the rest of the skin, but pretty much under the eyes, on the chin, and the forehead, I'm going to be using this Pat McGrath powder. I love it not just because it's a very, very fine powder, but also because of its color. This is in light medium 2, and as usual, I make sure it's not creased. Take some powder. I like to get it on the cap, actually. This is a Hakuhodo Kokutan brush. I'm going to apply just a touch of powder on the forehead and also on the chin. Eyebrow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in Brow Wiz in medium brown. And define her eyebrows. She's got quite thick eyebrows, but the hairs are very thin. Next is Legendary Brows, and I love this because it only works for the actual hairs. So if you have hair in your eyebrows, this is going to be really amazing because it creates that 3D effect. Now I'm going to show you one of the easiest, most simple makeup look, which I personally love. I remember that I used to do this makeup look a lot. You guys already saw the thumbnail picture, you know what it's going to look like. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow in Cocoa. And I'm applying this as a base all over the eyelids, like so. Now with the Rephr 13 brush, I just blend it. This is an amazing product if you want to apply something quick for, you know, your everyday look. It's great if you have hazel eyes. Literally for any eye color works, but especially, you know, green, hazel, brown. The same product, I will get it on the lower lashes. Same brush. Next, I'm gonna take this beautiful eyeshadow palette from DR. This is in 739 House of Dreams. Rephr 27 brush. I love the satin finish. For the lower lashes, I'm gonna use the same color, but with the Rephr 02 brush. Look at front. Then I'm gonna take this color right here and get it on the brow bone and on the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take the only matte color in the palette with this more pointy brush. Just a little bit of this darker eyeshadow at the end of the eye and also at the base of the lashes. Okay. I'm gonna come with this blending brush and just blend the edges, make sure everything is nice and smooth. Gonna be using Legit lashes from Huda Beauty. I don't know why I talk so slow when I do makeup. It's because I focus, I guess. You guys know me, I love mascara on the lower lashes as well. Right, now we got to the lips. I'm gonna take off the mask. Okay, now the lips are nice and ready. I'll be using this magenta lip liner from MAC. Okay, a lipstick from Jimmy Choo. I don't think I've ever used Jimmy Choo on my channel, but look at this gorgeous color. I saw it and I'm like, wow, it's amazing, right? I'm gonna take a little bit with a spatula, and then I'll use a brush. This is a Spectrum and Katie number 20 brush. I'm gonna take the Sisley Sun Glow bronzing gel powder. And this is a Rephr 30 brush. Isn't this like the softest brush ever? It's like so soft, right? This is like a finishing powder. The one that gives you that type of glow that looks like your skin is so nice and tight. Then I'll take this Dior blush in 783. And this is a Misa 04 brush. I will apply this a bit higher than usual. And I'll move on with this Prisme Libre highlighter from Givenchy. It's a loose powder type of highlighter that I love. Oh, this is amazing. This has a beautiful gold finish. Next, I'll be applying this Patrick Ta Face and Body. This is All Over Glow Balm in the color She's on Vacation. I have this huge brush from Huda Beauty. When I saw this, I was like, I absolutely have to have it. It's just so beautiful, you guys. Has a special glow. Yeah, I love this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful on you. Alright guys, and here we have the final look. This look is so gorgeous and so beautiful for holidays. And not only, I mean, the eyes are very, very natural, if I may say so. The lip is, you know, the whole focus of this makeup look, and I am all about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow Meriem on Instagram.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put her Instagram on the screen, and you could also find it in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!